Can you say the group number and period number of any element when we know only its atomic number? Now I will explain how to find the group number and period number of an element just in few seconds. So there is a small trick to find the group number and the period number of any element in the periodic table by just knowing its atomic number. So before going to learning about this trick, we must have some basic knowledge of periodic table. That means the valence electronic configurations of groups. Let us try to learn what are the general valence electronic configurations of each group, starting from first group. So first group, or this can also be called as 1A group. So the general valence electronic configuration of 1A group is NS1. We know that. Same like that for 2A group. Its general valence electronic configuration is NS2. And we go to the 13th group, that is or 3A group. This is NS2 NP1. Same like that 4A group, NS2 NP2, and then 5A group, NS2 NP3, 6A group, NS2 NP4, A group, that is halogens, its general valence electronic configuration is NS2NP5, and the last group, that is 18th group, which is also known as noble gases, that is 8A group. NS2NP6. So these are the general valence electronic configurations of the given groups. So 1A group NS1, 2A group NS2, 3A group NS2NP1, 4A group NS2NP2, 5A group NS2NP3, 6A group NS2NP4, 7A group NS2NP5, and the noble gases NS2NP6. So we must remember these general valence electronic configurations to know the group number easily. And then let us take one example element to find the group number and period number of that element. So let us take the atomic number 9. We don't know where this ninth element is present in the periodic table, in which group it is present, in which period it is present. And now we are going to find the easy way to find the group number and period number of this element. So the first one, element having atomic number 9. Let us try to write the electronic configuration of this element. So the electronic configuration of this element is see, there are 9 electrons in the element having atomic number 9. So then the electronic configuration will be like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So 9 electrons. And now observe carefully what is the valence shell here. In the valence shell of this element, that is 2s2, 2p5. That means second shell is the valence shell here. So second shell is the valence shell in the electronic configuration of the element having atomic number 9. So that means this shell has this element has 2 shells. So this will be the period number of this element. So the element having atomic number 9, it is present in the second period. And now let us try to find out the group number. So how to find the group number? by knowing its valence electronic configuration. So here the valence electronic configuration is 2s to 2p5. How this valence configuration looking like? It is looking like ns to np5. That is, it is present in 7a group or 17th group. So group number is 17 or 7a group. So like that, we can easily find out the group number and the period number of any element. Let us take one more example. Element having atomic number 16. Let us suppose. We don't know the element having atomic number 16 where it is present. And now we are going to find its group number and period number easily. To that, first we need to write the electronic configuration of this element. So 16 element, atomic number is 16. That means it has 16 electrons. So its configuration, let us try to write. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. So 16 electrons and atomic number 16. So this is the electronic configuration of the element having atomic number 16. And here, what is the valence shell? So 3s2, 3p6. That means third shell is the valence shell. So the period number is 3. And let us try to find out the group number. To find the group number, we need to focus on the valence electronic configuration. So here, the valence electronic configuration is 3s2, 3p4. This configuration resembles with ns2, np4. That means 6a group. That means this element belongs to 6a group or 16th group. So like that, we can find the period number and group number of any element. Let us take the final example. So, element having atomic number 20. Now let us try to write the configuration of this element. So the valence electronic configuration of element having 20 atomic number is 4s2. That means 20. Why we written this electronic configuration as argon 4s2? Because argon's atomic number is 18 and the 4s2. So like that we can write the electronic configuration of element having atomic number 20. So argon 4s2. Here we want to find the period number first. How to find the period number? Just by knowing the valence shell. Observe the valence shell here. The valence shell is 4 here. So the period number is 4. Because the valence shell is the 4th shell, that's why the period number is 4 here. And now the group number. So how to find the group number? Just by observing the valence electronic configuration. So valence electronic configuration of this element is 4s2 and this electronic configuration resembles with ns2. So ns2 is the general valence electronic configuration of second A group elements. That's why this element present in the second group or second A group. So like that, we can find the period number and group number of any element easily by using these tricks. Thanks.